We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words from French too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. This means in French beautiful, and this is the plural form of the word. That's why there is an X at the end, because for some words you put an X or instead of an S for the plural form. That's the case here. How do you say it? In France it is said as beau, beau, silent X, beau. Now in English this is generally pronounced as beau, beau, from French beau. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious, just like beau from French. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.